Oh, God. It'd be easier if I could just take the gun and blow it. Shoot a hole in the ceiling.
It's just a little spike. It's not even poison. It's like a granddaddy long neck or something.
Okay, then if it is, then you do it.
I just want to see you do it.
I'm gonna lose it. Should I go in for the punch?
Yeah.
But it's a flimsy bird. That's not gonna kill it because it's so flimsy.
I think it will.
Oh my God.
Good chair.
That was kicker.
It's just a little spider. It's not gonna hurt you.
Can I reach? I can't. Oh God! I gotta get too close for that. I need an extender.
I need an extender.
I'm sweating.
Just do it.
Ow. I don't want to do it.
Oh my God! It sounds like someone got murdered. I don't know.
Oh my God! Where's it at? Andrew, help!
It's